everybody. Welcome to a very special of Snacktastic Adventures. I am currently joined by my lovely cousins here. And today we are reuniting for the first time in a few years to do
the Dangerous Snack Game.
Now, for those of you who if you haven't seen the first two episodes, go watch them. So if you haven't seen them, the way this game is played, we select a few snacks. Some you might have seen in past episodes, others are new. They're either sour, bitter, or spicy. The point of the game is to not react to them at all. Each player will have about 20 seconds to not react to a snack. Randomly chosen by the Dangerous Snack Game spinner. So, we'll see who comes out on top. We also, by popular demand, have brought back Carl, the cookie catcher. You may remember this from the second one. Me telling Kelly to grab it.
It was a little gross.
I'd like to send that for Booth. There's a little twitch. There's a
yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kelly, get Carl.
We're good.
Get Carl. Please get Carl.
Okay, we're good.
Please get Carl.
I think it was the pickleback shot. Is when we were having a reaction.
That sounds right.
So, without further ado, let's get the game a-going. Here are the snack contenders for this game. Toxic Waste Chocolate Bar, Spicy Pizza Rolls, Hot Ones Chips, Dried Shrimp, Candy Cane Cookies, Bean Boozled, Shot or Water, Chamoy Mangoes, Beetlejuice Fanta. Round one. All right, Kelly, whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Wheel up.
That's exactly it. That was way too close. I'm just so happy that it landed on the shrimp.
3, 2, 1, go. You got 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. I didn't do any.
Oh, I forgot to change it.
What should you get?
Oh, come on.
Go. 3, 2, 1, end.
Okay. Oh, these are great.
Right?
They're not spicy at all.
Candy cane cookies. Wait, do I have to eat the whole thing because?
Yeah.
I don't know one.
I don't even know what you said.
What is that? Toxic cocoa? Choco?
Choco.
At least it's not shrimp.
Chocolate with a sour filling.
Sure. That's gross.
Okay. This is the longest 20 seconds.
It's exactly what you expect it to taste like.
Okay.
Honestly, I've had other filled chocolates that taste worse, so.
Okay.
Here we go. Oh my gosh, there's so many crumbs on this.
Oh, it's shrimp?
The pickle sickles.
Freezer.
Oh,
I need to get this.
oh, bottom part is a little.
Yeah, you just gotta take this one.
You do have to put the whole thing in your mouth.
Done. Wow.
It actually is pretty good.
What? Do you want to eat the rest? Dang.
No,
Okay.
I mean maybe later, not now. Round two.
All right. Spin. Oh, Bean Boozled. Oh, I'm so scared.
It's either birthday cake or dirty dishwasher.
Oh.
Oh!
I don't know if it's better that I know. Okay.
Give a 1 if it's birthday cake, a 2 if it's dirty dishwasher. Water. Oh no. Bless your heart.
And done. Oh my god!
So tell me, what does dirty dishwasher taste like? And don't say dirty
Leave your
dishwasher.
clothes in the washing machine and it smells like that mildew.
No.
That's kind of what I was having.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Okay. Either would have been good.
Hey.
Okay.
What is this?
Spicy pizza rolls.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Done.
It's very yummy.
Okay.
Well, it's
Yeah.
not too bad for me, but they're spicier than the chips.
Oh my god!
Trip time.
Oh! I knew this was gonna happen. Oh my god. Oh, I'm outies. Oh. Wait. I'm not ready. Ah!
I'm gonna move these.
It doesn't have eyes. Can we just accept it though? Wait.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god. Oh no. I don't know that those are meant to be eaten raw.
You know, that wouldn't have been half as funny if it weren't for the fact that you picked them. No shrimp. All right, Beetlejuice Fanta. Let's go.
I mean, no. Oh my god.
Oh my god, wow.
I think my pee's gonna be that color tomorrow.
So.
That was surprisingly disgusting.
Oh wow.
Like you see a neon green something and you make some assumptions and then you drink it and it's like, that wasn't it.
No. No!
Oh my god, this might get you out. I'm sorry.
Dodged a
Way too
bullet on that
excited
one.
for that. I'm way too excited for that. Well.
Shit.
Oh.
Got an eyeball.
Oh my gosh. Yep, that's the whole thing. It's doing a tummy tuck. Okay. I hate
made
you. Ah.
There were a few little.
Oh god.
Down.
Swallow. Oh, but
Get
do
him
you
a
want to bark
Listerine
so
thing.
bad? Yeah.
Oh, it's worse. It's worse swallowing it.
Round 3.
Chamoy mango.
Oh, you're gonna love this one. Go. Timer.
Oh.
I
Just has a little bit of heat at them.
It's like a
And-
spice mix. It's like, I mean, yeah, like with the sweet.
Ooh.
Water.
Can you tell me which one you want?
Okay, I want that one. I chose poorly, I think.
Go.
That's water.
Wait, were they both water?
No, they're about to be both vodka if someone had their say. Yes! Yes! Yes!
Oh.
Spicy pizza roll.
You're done.
Let's go.
You're done. Yeah, I guess. Everything is
I mean, it'd be better if it's hot, but.
Toxic chocolate.
Okay. Go.
I will say that was a really hard one not to react to.
Compared
It
to
is
the
pretty
shrimp?
It was really sour.
Pretty sour.
What the?
Round 4.
Bean again?
Oh my
Oh my gosh.
So it's either going to be strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish.
Oh!
Oh my
It
god.
might be worse if that's possible.
Dead fish?
Dead fish.
Okay.
Go. Time!
Yeah.
Bean
Bean
boozled.
boozled.
Hey, that's not been great luck.
Oh, it's the same one she had earlier, I think.
Oh.
Which means statistically you got a good shot.
Birthday
Oh,
cake
sure.
or dirty dishwasher?
Okay,
Time.
that's a birthday cake.
Oh!
I'm gonna hope for hot ones, chip or pickle sickle. Get past it, get past it, get past it. Oh, thank God. Candy cane cookies. See, I love Oreos, and I feel like this is gonna really tarnish my relationship with Oreos.
Oh no.
It's okay. These are JoJo's.
Someone got real creative with that. It's got a little crunchy candy cane bits in it. It's kind of nice.
Yep. Okay, it's kind of nice.
Chamoy mango.
Toin. Dipping toin.
Yep, nice spicy.
Round 5.
Pickle sickle.
Hot dog.
I absolutely hate pickles.
You're done.
That tastes like a pickle.
Papa.
do that.
That
Oh,
one
you're
was-
right. Okay, well.
That was water.
Next time you're getting both vodka, by the way.
Bean?
Shot or water?
Remember that new rule? That
It's fine. Oh, I can see which one it is. Yeah, I'll take that one.
All right, cheers.
Oh no, oh no. Oh shoot.
Wait, who has the timer?
I messed up. Can I switch?
Okay.
Can I try
No,
now?
no. What?
Yep.
Oh, wing, I can't.
Oh, nice dessert.
Beetlejuice Fanta.
Oh, wait a minute.
I pulled something in my throat.
Well, time's up.
It was a muscle in my throat in the back of it.
Can you point where you're
I went too far back with my neck.
You threw your head out.
Round 6.
Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, man. I already remember how I reacted to that other shot.
Yeah, you didn't do well.
I'll take the left one for Leroy.
Stars.
What the f was that?
Welcome to the team.
There was a little bit of pickle juice in there.
You added 2 shrimps.
Yeah.
Because she loves this
Oh, you do?
seafood stuff.
What? I feel like 2, 1, go. I didn't start. Oh no!
Looks like you both fumbled.
Go.
Oh! Oh, that's a reaction.
No, I don't think so.
Oh.
Oh no! What? Did you swallow it?
Okay, that's not bad. But one of the bits like zog into my. I think I'm bleeding actually.
Oh my god!
Yeah, let's do it. Let's go. I need a moment.
Take what you are.
You know, like this.
That's a bit of a reaction.
We close our eyes a little long there. That right there.
That was a little bit. After that.
Oh, that. Oh, I think that's. Oh, yeah.
I need. Can I get something to help me get it down? I already lost. Wait, no.
Carl, my guy.
Final round.
For the final round, Nate, Jules, and Kelly concocted a strange concoction to try and get Julieta and I to react.
Oh my god, why?
I don't think I can drink this.
No, you're fine.
You said you
You'll
didn't
be
want to
fine.
do the shrimp. You said you didn't want to
You're
do the
fine.
shrimp.
It's gonna be great.
Can I do a shrimp?
Are we ready?
No, we're not ready. No one's ready for this.
Go.
What the hell?
I think that really helped it because that was the overpowering flavor.
Oh no! That's why I didn't want to put anything else in it because I was like, it needs
Yeah.
to be that one smell.
Well, at this point, we gotta throw the
Ty.
game.
Right?
Ty, yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yay.
Yes, congratulations.
Huzzah.
Yeah. Well, that's a wrap for the Dangerous Snack game. We had a tie for snack. I forgot what I called the winner, but you know.
Dangerous snack.
Are there really any
Winners.
Snacker,
Yeah.
Dangerous
Are there
snack,
really
huh?
any winners in this, for real?
Yeah, that last one was a weird concoction. I don't fully understand what was all in there for sure, but
I took a little video.
No
of
need.
what's in it.
I can't wait to see that video.
I may not want see that.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a big old thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, keep on snacking! Thanks so much for snacking with us. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Also, hit that bell button so you don't miss any Snacktastic adventures.
So if you haven't already, you should check out our snack shop. Mugs, t-shirts, and aprons galore. Anything you want to find, check it out at our Snacktastic store.
And we'll see you in the next Snacktastic adventure.
Woo!